When talking about aggressive snakes, it is essential to distinguish between a snake's natural behavior and its aggression as a defensive reaction. Most snake species exhibit aggression when threatened, but some are known for remarkably high levels of aggression in the wild and in captivity. In this video, let's study about 6 most aggressive snakes in the world. Number 6. Black Mamba. The black mamba is not only one of the most aggressive snakes, but also one of the most dangerous. Native to parts of Africa, this snake is known for its speed, venom potency, and territorial nature. The black mamba can strike at incredible speeds and deliver venom that can cause death within hours if untreated. Its aggression is often a response to perceived threats, and it can be highly defensive if cornered. Its black coloration inside the mouth, which gives the species its name, is a key warning sign of its readiness to strike. Number 5. King Cobra. The king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, is found in Southeast Asia. It is known for its aggressive behavior, especially during the breeding season. While not as quick to attack as the black mamba, the king cobra is highly dangerous due to its size and potent venom, which targets the nervous system and can be fatal if not treated promptly. This species exhibits aggression not only when threatened, but also when defending its nest, making it one of the more formidable snakes in its region. Number 4. Gaboon Viper. The Gaboon Viper is one of Africa's largest vipers and is known for its impressive size, venom, and aggressive tendencies. With its large triangular head and striking coloration, it can deliver a massive quantity of venom in a single bite. This venom is a potent mix of hemotoxins, which can cause severe bleeding and tissue damage. The Gaboon Viper's aggression is often observed when it feels threatened or disturbed, particularly in its natural habitat, where it relies on its camouflage for protection. Number 3. Fer-de-Lance. The Fer-de-Lance is a pit viper native to Central and South America and is notorious for its aggressive nature. This snake has a reputation for being highly defensive, and it will often strike with little provocation. Its venom is a complex cocktail of hemotoxins and proteolytic enzymes that can cause severe pain, swelling, and systemic effects. The Fer-de-Lance's aggressive behavior is attributed to its role as an apex predator in its habitat, where it needs to assert dominance to survive. Number 2. Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake. The Eastern Diamondback Rattlesnake, found in the southeastern United States, is the largest rattlesnake species and is known for its potent venom and aggressive behavior. Its rattling sound serves as a warning, but if this warning is ignored, the snake can strike with considerable force. The Eastern Diamondback's venom is highly toxic, capable of causing serious medical issues if not treated promptly. Its aggression is often a defense mechanism, but it can become highly confrontational if threatened. Number 1. Bushmaster. The Bushmaster is the largest viper species in the Americas and is found in Central and South America. It is known for its powerful venom and aggressive behavior. The Bushmaster's venom is a potent mix of hemotoxins and neurotoxins, causing severe systemic effects and pain. This snake's aggression is usually a defensive reaction, and it will strike if it feels threatened. Its large size and strength add to its dangerous nature, making it a formidable presence in its habitat. Conclusion. These 6 snakes exemplify aggression in various ways, whether through their defensive behaviors or their interactions with humans and other animals. While their aggression often stems from a need to protect themselves or their territory, their potent venom and striking capabilities make them particularly dangerous. Understanding these snakes and their behaviors is crucial for both conservation efforts and human safety, ensuring that interactions with these fascinating creatures are handled with the utmost respect and caution.